had a nice time. It was an awesome experience. And discounting what Ram said, he actually had enjoyed over here making all the reels in the wading pool. Come to place because I signed up for Kana, so I thought this is just next adjacent to it, so may as well do Pench.
This is my second savari with Shashank. So I chose him because of he's so genuine and very polite actually. So and comfortable. I'm very comfortable with him. So I decided to go with him again. That's how I planned the trip.
I found it a little different. This was the first dry deciduous forest that I had seen, although it was not so dry this time because it was pretty green, but it was still a beautiful forest. And it had a lot of bamboo also intermixed with it, some bit of sal trees also.
Yeah,
and it was a great forest.
And for our luck, there have been previous rains and it was all green and flourish. So that is what, like, I have to simply say both Kana and Pench are looking same.
मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा था पर्सनली कि कोई वीडियो गेम चल रहा है और उसमें ऐसे गाड़ी हमारी जा रही है, लाइक ऐसे भी एकदम फैंटेसी वाले पाथवेज थे, एकदम नैरो, और वेजिटेशन बहुत अच्छा है यहाँ का, ग्रीन प्लस ऐसे ड्राई भी काफ़ी स्पेस था.
Yeah, we saw some deer, spotted deer, and we saw some nilgais.
And we saw a lot of bird life too. We saw the crested serpent eagle, the honey buzzard, racket-tailed rongo, plum-headed parrots. Indian roller. How can I forget Indian roller? Yeah. We saw it so many times taking dust bath.
So many rollers were rolling on the road.
यहाँ एंटर होते सबसे पहले तो जो नज़र आया था वो लंगूर, स्पॉटेड डियर, सांबर डियर.
जो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम देखा गौर, और अभी तक तो मूवीज़ में देखा था, और अभी रियल में जब देखा तो इट्स वेरी ह्यूज एंड अमेजिंग.
Most memorable one was after spending a fruitless tiger sighting for almost 3-4 hours, and we suddenly spotted a tiger sitting in the shade, and it happened to be a fully grown tiger bindu. It was amazing sight, absolutely awesome. So awesome that there was no other jeep present, just us and the tiger. It was, I have absolutely no words to describe this moment.
It was end of the day, it's like around 6:37, and in the last half an hour spot, we spotted one sleeping tiger in bit of all the rubble and the bushes and everything of all the camouflaged area. So I saw the tiger and I just shouted like, it's a cub. So then we all got to see like the tiger, and it was very good experience because it was such a low light. Lucky to us, it got up and it has took a few paces out of its place, and it was able to see us. And there are beautiful shots by Shashank, which he will show you. So it's awesome experience, like to get a shot of tiger in the last moments of the day on last safari. And yeah, Pench gave us a lot of memories.
all the drivers and the guides that we had were very experienced with a very good eye at spotting wildlife. Very true that we would have really missed, as all other jeeps had missed, seeing the resting tiger in the shade. They really had very good eye, even for small birds or anything they could really spot from afar. Hats off to them. Very, very experienced, very great experience with them.
यहाँ पे जितने भी जो गार्ड्स एंड ड्राइवर वगैरह जो है, मतलब वो इतने एक्सपीरियंसड है कि उनको मालूम है कि अगर किसी ने कहा कि भाई लेक के वहाँ पे अगर टाइगर है तो वो इतना फास्टली चला करके वहाँ पहुँच जाते हैं। उनको मालूम है कि गाड़ी को पहले से उनको मालूम है गाड़ी को किधर मोड़ना है, इस मोड़ पे जाकर के कहाँ किधर मोड़ना है।
मिस्टिक ओएसिस बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल रिजॉर्ट है और यहाँ पे इन्होंने अच्छी बात यह है कि यहाँ पे नेचर को मेंटेन किया हुआ है। ऐसे कोई बहुत ज्यादा कंस्ट्रक्शन करके इसको डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं किया इस प्रॉपर्टी को, वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
And the staff is so good. They cater to your every needs, whatever you ask. Just that you have to ask.
एक्चुअली शशांक के बारे में ये है कि शशांक का जो सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है जंगल के बारे में, वो इतना माइंड ब्लोइंग है कि मतलब किसी भी बर्ड्स के बारे में, किसी भी जानवर के बारे में कुछ भी पूछ लो सब पता है। जंगल में से कॉल्स आते हैं तो शशांक को मालूम है कि वे कौन सा कॉल किस जानवर का है या किस बर्ड का है और कौन से बर्ड्स के या किस जानवर का क्या स्वभाव है, मतलब उसका क्या उनके लाइफस्टाइल है, ये सब कुछ शशांक को पता है। नॉट इवन ओनली अबाउट इन इंडिया, अब वो ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड जितने भी जानवर है कहीं के बारे में शशांक को सब कुछ पता है।
As usual, it was awesome. As already mentioned in all my other interviews, I'm going to take wildlife safaris only with Shashank.
He's like a very great guy. Without him, going to a safari is like shooting a blind dart. Just like you have to throwing some stones to get a tiger, but with him, we can guarantee a tiger. If not guarantee, with the word he hates, so we can use assure. Yeah, he assured us to have us a
good experience. A great experience.
Yeah, and he keeps talking only the positive words and positivity even if you don't have the sighting. That is the great thing, that you will be feeling like, yes, I had the sighting.
Was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.